skilled worker visas. This is a continuation of my videos where we're speaking about how do you work in the UK and how to get rights to work in the UK. And I see, a lot of clients hearing this term. They've got skilled worker visas, they've got health worker visa approval, and they have got rights to work in the UK. And here is what I want to share, that is true. About 61,242 applications in a skilled worker visa category and about 61,500 applications for skilled worker visa category under the healthcare sector has been issued in September 2020. That's an amazing figure. Hello, this is Falguni by Parekh. I'm a solicitor and founder at the Smart Move to UK. We are an UK-based immigration law firm. Let's look more into how to get into the skilled worker visa categories. Now the question is, if you've entered the UK on a skilled worker visas, how do you switch? Let's look into this video on if you have been granted a skilled worker visas, or even if you've been granted a skilled worker visa under the healthcare category, can you switch your status once you're within the UK if you find another employer? And in this video, we're going to discuss about the skilled worker visa category and whether can we switch this if you're within the UK. So under the UK immigration laws, if you're once in the UK and have an employment and you want to change your employment, you want to switch your employer, you can change and switch to another employer, provided you meet the eligibility criteria for that job that you're getting into and you meet the English language requirement. And this application can be done within the UK, so you don't have to come back to your home country to switch your employers. So let us run through the categories which do not allow you to switch. You cannot switch off your visas if you're on a visit visas or on a short-term student visas, on a parent of a child student visa that's been granted to you. If you are on a seasonal worker visas, you cannot switch. If you are been granted domestic worker in a private household visas or on an immigration bail because you were given permission to stay outside the immigration rules. If this is your scenario, then you cannot switch your status within the UK to within another employer. In case you have any of these categories, you have to come back to your home country and then apply for the visas, which is a skilled worker visas. I hope this information is of help to you. It brings in confidence for all the people who would want to switch their status in the UK and who have been worried. I hope this information is of help when you're trying to switch your status in the UK. Do let us know your thoughts on this video in our comment section here, and if you need to know more about these categories, do let us know about what more information would you want to know in foreign skilled worker visas. Thank you for watching this video.